Good morning, student. This is Kavita Arora, your math teacher from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School. In our last session, we have done up to 8th question of 2.2. So today we are going to start question number 9 of exercise 2.2. In this question, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So what are their present ages? See, in this question, two things are given. Their ages are in the ratio of 5:7, and 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So let us suppose their ages, present ages are 5x and 7x. After 4 years, if somebody is of 5 years at the present age, so what will be he after 4 years? That is 5x plus 4. So Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4 after 4 years and Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. According to question, 4 years later, sum of their ages means whatever their age is after 4 years, when we are adding those ages, the result is 56. So 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. When we are solving this equation, we are getting x is equal to 4. So present age of Rahul is what we have supposed, that is 5x. So 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20, and present age of Harun is 7 multiplied by 4, that is 28. In the next question, the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. So it is same as the previous question. What is the ratio? 7:5. So let us suppose the boys number of boys is 7x and number of girls are 5x. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So now the second equation according to the equation is this number of boys 7x is equal to the number of girls plus 8, because number of boys are more. So when we are adding 8 to the number of girls, then both are becoming equal. So when we'll find the value of x according to this, how will we find? 5x will move to the left hand side and it will be subtracted, and then 2 will be moved to the right hand side. So we'll get the value of x. So therefore number of boys are, what was the number of boys? 7x. So 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 and number of girls were 5x. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. And what are the total number of students? Number of boys plus number of girls, that is 20 plus 28 is 48. So in this way we can find the number of girls and boys. In our next question, Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bachung. So what is the meaning of this question? There is a child whose name is Bachung. His father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather. Means Bachung's father is 26 years less than his own father, and he is 29 years older than his son. When we are adding these three ages, then we are getting the number 135. So let us suppose the Bachung's father is X. So what is the age of his grandfather? Because the grandfather is 26 years older than the father, so it will be X plus 26. And what is the age of Bachung? It is X minus 29, because he is 29 years older than Bachung. So according to the question, this is the age of Bachung's father, this is the age of grandfather, and this is the age of Bachung's. So when we are adding these three ages, we are getting the sum 135. So in this way we can find the value of x, and when we are putting the value of x in the supposed ages, that is x, x plus 26 and x minus 29, we are getting the exact ages of Bachung's father and Bachung's grandfather. Next question for today is 15 years from now. Now means from present. Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Means whatever the age of Ravi is right now, after 15 years his age will be 4 times of his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Let us suppose his present age is x. After 15 years, what will be the age of Ravi? It will be x plus 15 years. So according to the question, this x plus 15 means after 15 years, his age is equal to 4 times his present age. So present age was x, 4 times means 4 multiplied by x. So x will be transferred to the right hand side and 4x minus x is equal to 15. So we can find the value of x. Now what is the Ravi's present age? हमने suppose क्या किया था? Ravi's present age is x. So Ravi's present age is 5 years. So students, I hope you understood all these 4 questions. Today you have to do these 4 questions in your fair notebook. I am sending the PDF of these questions also. In case of any doubt, you can refer to the PDF. Thank you.